do better than that. Make some noise. Make some noise. Never had to perform with a white guy next to me, but that's cool. It's gonna be an interesting 30 fucking minutes, ain't it? Who's the deaf people? Oh, hey, shit. Okay. Hi. Did she? Yeah. Yeah. I want to hear y'all fuck one time. That shit gotta be the way he comes in. Listen, if you haven't been to my show, buckle the fuck up. That's all I'm saying.